Hello everyone, are you guys wondering what I am doing at the track field? We are at the Bajaj Allianz Half Marathon 2024 and this here is the world famous the Balewadi Stadium in Pune, and we are going to vlog this entire chapter of half marathon. I like to give you as much details as possible so that if you are interested in planning an event on a Sunday morning, then you know where to come. So apparently you can't come in if you don't have your QR code. Route of Bajaj half marathon, it starts over here from the Balewadi complex, and then you go, there are turns and all, there'll be volunteers all throughout. It goes until here, till Raj Bhavan, and then you go back the entire distance to the finish line. I feel these kind of routes which you have to follow only once are the best. I cannot follow one route more than once, and I think it's good that you're able to get permissions for a longer route. I as a runner don't feel really tired. What do you think about yourself? Do you like to run in loops, or you want one straight path throughout your race? Last time I had ran this marathon, I didn't know what a pacer was. So let me explain you guys what really a pacer is. So this is Manu Singh here. So Mr. Manu Singh will be running 21.1 km in 1 hour 59 minutes. And this is Sunil Bagade, who will run it in 2 hours 15 minutes. And that's 59, 1 hour 9 minutes. And these are the girls, 2 girls, 1 hour 19 minutes, 1 hour 29 minutes. So what does that mean? So these are the people who will have flags on their back so that you can identify them from far behind. And if you know who is running at what pace, and you know that this is your target and you want to chase them, like you can be with them so that you finish the race in the amount of time that you really wanted to. So that's why you should know your pacers. So last time I was just thinking these are some mascots who are having flags with them, but I didn't realize until the end of the race that they are there for you to be able to understand what pace are you running at, because not everyone carries a cell phone, or even if you have a watch, having someone around you as a pacer just really helps you manage your pace accordingly. There's again this interesting board wherein you can find your name. So now I have registered. Let me just see if I can find my name. That's me, Jaswant Singh Pardeshi. It always feels good. ये देखो हमें कौन मिला है यहाँ पर. पहचान कौन.
इधर पुष्पा का दाढ़ी.
Iron Man आ गया देखो. So these are the tents from where you'll collect your bibs. So I'll go and collect mine soon. How does this look, guys? So these are Crayol sunglasses, right? Crayol, okay. These are all running equipments? Zathlos. These are shorts. असे कोणते टॉप्स आलेत का ज्याच्यावर बिब लावू शकतो बिना पिमचा?
This is so expensive. The fabrics are specialized fabric developed for ultra running.
So for those who are new to marathon running, usually you have to come to collect your bibs one day before, and there are all these stalls. This is called as an expo. Expos are good if you find something that you are looking too much crazily. For example, sometimes as runners you struggle with, so see, there's so much of sun and you want sunglasses but you don't know which one to buy. So at these expos you'll find the niche brands who are selling these sunglasses. So it makes more sense to attend these if you're looking for something like that. Like there were shorts, they were made specifically for ultra running from Athlos. Those are expensive ones, but you really don't want those rashes, right? So maybe you can invest in those. That's why the expos are good to come. Good morning, guys. It's race day and I have Siddharth with me, and this is the entire race line. We have participated for 21-kilometer half marathon. The race will start in 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys! And that's how it starts. Thousands of people at 5 o'clock in the morning running on the streets of Pune. Some people are running barefoot. It's almost around 18 degrees Celsius. Pretty cold for someone who have lived all his life in Mumbai. Dombivli, to be honest. ही बजाजची ऑर्गनायझेशन चांगली नाही, हा यांचा 5th एडिशन आहे. तर त्याच्यामुळे त्यांचं काय म्हणतात रीच वाढली आहे कंपनीच्या लोकांमुळे. त्यांच्या फ्रेंड्सला बोलवतात. एवढे सारे लोक आले. लोकांचे
फर्स्ट टाइमच खूप आहे.
हां तेच भरपूर लोकांचे वर्षातून एकचदा पळतात.
नाही आज तर आयुष्यात 21 पर्यंत पडले असे पण लोक आहेत.
काय बोलतं? हो जाएगा दोस्तों, सब कुछ हो जाएगा. यार मला परत सू कशी काय लागू शकते यार.
You're worried about shoe. I'm worried about sheep.
यार it's around 5:15. It's pressure time. तुझी फर्स्ट 10K लास्ट बजाजचीच होती ना?
Oh yes.
And this time he's doing 21 after finishing his Ironman. So
So last year after doing 10K I did half Ironman, and this year after doing 21K I'm going to do full Ironman.
So the preparation for full Ironman starts today. By the way guys, this is the Pune-Bangalore Expressway. We are running right beside it. There were a lot of volunteers to help us guide where to park our cars, even on the highway. Imagine how risky that is. So good attempt. In fact, good organization efforts by Bajaj. मुझे तो टॉयलेट आ गई थी, मैंने कर ली. आप देख सकते हो ये भी होता है मैराथन में. Nature's call guys. So you can see there was a crossway and there were volunteers who were monitoring the traffic. There's a car behind me right now. We just finished 5K and it's still pretty dark. I'm going strong. Wasn't expecting this from me, but going good guys. No. See, do you look at that bonfire over there? That is my fucking major complaint with all the organizers. Like, the weather is perfect. Everybody here is a health freak. They're coming to run. And there's somebody putting plastics in that. And it smells so bad. You feel like you don't need to breathe. Just stop breathing and walk away home. This happens every marathon. And until now, this was, I believe, the 5th bonfire. If you can see that guy, he's an elite runner. He has already finished more than 60% of the race. So, elite running is a completely different ball game. And next, there's these sweeping guys. So, I understand it's very important because we need to keep our city clean, but that just puts so much pollutants in the air and you don't feel like breathing. Elite running, first 2 men to go, just passed by me. I am at 7.5 kilometer mark. So if you're first, there'll be a pilot vehicle accompanying you. It'll either be a car in Tata Ultra Marathon, Tata Marathon. There's a car. It's usually a Tata car. See again one more elite runner. And here there's a bike. That's okay, like they do help. 2 bikes accompanying the first runner to clear the traffic. You don't want to mess with their timings, right? why there's so much traffic. That's that. Oh, look at this. Crazy. Let's get some electrolytes. That's how you get it. Well, if you are cycling, this is also how you get your drinks on the go. A lot of accidents happen at that time. बहुत सारे लोग गिरते हैं और वो accident, trust me, major होता है. Like you break your bones, you're scarred, you cannot finish the race, all the practice, all in vain, just because you couldn't get your bottle right. And that's our 10-kilometer mark. Almost halfway through. There is some light on road, so it feels so fresh. It feels like you're running a different race now. Running continuously is very monotonous, so any change is appreciated. Change in temperature, weather, light, sunglasses, music, change in how people cheer you also motivates a lot. As long as the changes are motivating you to keep going, everything is appreciated. And just like that, we have finished 15 kilometers. I've changed my tempo a little bit. I'm wearing sunglasses and I have my earbuds on. So for 10 to 15 I only wore my sunglasses so that I changed the rhythm a little bit and I was able to run a little faster. Now from 15 to 20 we'll listen to some music and finish strong. Let's go, guys! We are 20 kilometers strong! Let's go! And that's it. We are done with the Pune half marathon. Great feeling, great environment. Just have a look.
Thank you.
Iron Man's leg, guys. Look at this tattoo. There's the runner, there's the swimmer, and here's the cycling guy. Woo! So these are the winners of this half marathon, guys. So fun race. That's a 3-kilometer family run, or a run which is for the newbies, and everybody is here. Like there are kids who have balloons with them. Hello, hi guys. Just check them out. It's a very happy atmosphere. Everybody is really good. You is over here. Hello, hi. अभी भाग क्या हुआ मेरा? चल. So that's Subhendu from my office. Who we got? Money heist. Hello.